If your kitchen feels cluttered and you're constantly running out of space for your spices, a magnetic spice rack might be exactly what you need. These simple organizers can instantly free up your countertops and make your kitchen feel more organized without any drilling or installation. Let's take a look at some of the best magnetic spice racks you can get right now. First, we have the Huggy Gems Magnetic Spice Rack 4-pack. This is a great option if you're looking for something simple and effective. It uses strong, heavy-duty magnets that attach securely to your fridge or oven and stay in place, even when fully loaded. It can hold a variety of spice jar sizes, making it very flexible for everyday use. It's also a great space saver, especially for smaller kitchens, since it uses the side of your fridge instead of cabinets or countertops. Plus, it's made from rust-proof metal, so it's built to last. Next, we have the Royzeli Magnetic Spice Rack Set. This one offers a bit more versatility. You get 4 shelves in different sizes, including 2 extra large and 2 smaller ones, which makes organizing your spices much easier. It also comes with magnetic paper towel holders, adding extra convenience to your kitchen setup. The magnets are strong enough to hold up to 8 pounds, and the metal construction ensures durability over time. It's a great option if you want more flexibility and additional storage features. Another great choice is the Offworld Magnetic Spice Rack. This one stands out because of its added functionality. It comes with 2 shelves and 4 removable hooks, allowing you to store spices as well as hang utensils or small kitchen tools. The magnetic hold is very strong, supporting heavier items without slipping. It also includes a guardrail to prevent items from falling and a grid-style base that helps keep your jars dry and clean. It's a very practical option if you want more than just basic storage. If you need something with larger capacity, the 16.9-inch wide magnetic spice rack set is a great pick. These shelves are wider than standard options, giving you much more storage space. Each shelf can hold up to 11 pounds, making it ideal for storing multiple jars and larger containers. The adjustable design allows you to position the shelves however you like, depending on your space. It's also made from durable, rust-proof metal, so it's built for long-term use. Finally, we have the 7 Blue Magnetic Spice Rack Set. This one is designed for both strength and versatility. Each shelf features strong magnets that can hold up to 8 pounds, making it suitable for heavier spice containers. It also offers large storage capacity, with each rack able to hold multiple jars at once. The addition of 4 hooks gives you extra space for small tools or accessories, making your setup even more efficient. Unlike metal options, this one is made from upgraded ABS material, which is waterproof, rust-proof, and very easy to clean. And since it works on any magnetic surface, you can use it in your kitchen, bathroom, or even your laundry area. Overall, magnetic spice racks are a simple upgrade that can make a big difference in how your kitchen looks and functions. If you found this helpful, check the links in the description for more details on each product. And don't forget to subscribe for more home and kitchen finds.